Assalamu alaikum. My name is TEHANI NOOR and today my presentation topic is about freshwater ecosystem. So first of all, I am telling you that freshwater ecosystem is also a type of aquatic ecosystem. The type of organism is an aquatic ecosystem are mainly determined by the water salinity. What is mean by this sentence? This sentence means we can easily differentiate or determine organism through the water salinity. What is water salinity? Water salinity means the salt content in water. So the fresh water is defined as having a low salt concentration as compared to marine water. In the marine water ecosystem, the salt concentration is much higher than the fresh water. And the plants and animals living in freshwater regions are adjusted to be the low salt concentration, and their animals living according to their environment. Freshwater ecosystem includes ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, and wetland. Freshwater ecosystem contain little salt content, just I told you, as compared to marine water. Freshwater ecosystems are very fragile. This sentence means that we must take care of freshwater ecosystem. It would be unhealthy because of contamination. Which type of contamination is that? That different type of algae and bacteria. Due to that algae and bacteria, the water become unhealthy. So the freshwater ecosystem are divided into three types: lentic, lotic, and wetland. What is mean by lentic? Lentic means slow moving water, including pools, ponds, and lakes. The Ansuji is also the type of lentic ecosystem. And lotic means rapidly moving water. For example, streams and rivers. Chenab River, Ravi River, and Indus River also comes in the category of lotic. And wetland is also the type of fresh ecosystem. Lakes. So lakes is the part of freshwater ecosystem. Lakes ecosystem are prime example of lentic ecosystem. Just I told you in my previous slide that lentic means slow moving water. A lake is a larger body of water within the body of land. This means lakes lie on land or not part of ocean. Lakes are larger and deeper than ponds. As lakes is separated from the ocean, it's not a sea. Many people consider lake as a sea, but lake is not a sea. A lake ecosystem includes biotic plants and abiotic physical and chemical interaction. Lakes do not flow like river. This sentence means that water of lake does not move like river, but it works as a path for the river to move in and out of them. Ansu Lake, Safara Lake, and Sefal Maluk Lake and different type of lakes are come in the category of lakes ecosystem. So many lakes are artificial. This sentence means that some lakes are man-made. People created it for their personal use. For instance, they use the lakes for agriculture purpose. And how? They use lakes to water the crops, plants, and trees. They used lakes as hydroelectrical generator to produce electricity like Turbela Dam. They use lakes for aesthetic and recreational purpose where the people's going to enjoy it. So there are also natural lakes which are generally found in mountain areas and rift zones. So the lakes have different types of animals, snakes, fishes, and aquatic plants. Now moving to the riverine. Riverine is also the type of lotic ecosystem. Is an example of lotic ecosystem. Lotic means rapidly moving water. River ecosystem are flowing water that drain the landscape. Means river ecosystem are also flowing water. River are state of continuous physical changes. It has many different microhabitats and there's also variability in the flow rates of water. The speed also varies. The flow can be affected by sudden water input from snow melt, rain, groundwater. River water flow is indirectional, and river and stream are fresh water and hold up 3% of earth fresh water. Animals which are found in rivers are snails, worms, turtle, frog, alligator, snakes, and many types of insect, etc. Jhelum River, Chenab River, Ravi River, Kabul River, they all come in the category of riverine ecosystem. So, the conclusion of my presentation is that uh, freshwater ecosystem is also a type of aquatic ecosystem. In freshwater ecosystem, we studied three types: lantic, lotic, and wetland. And lakes and rivers are also the part of freshwater ecosystem. Thank you.